Hey, what up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is K Beats. Um, for those of you who don't know, for the past couple of days, I haven't been feeling well. Um, the reason why I haven't been posting a lot lately, but shout out to the guys who still watch my videos, even though I don't put out videos like that frequently. But I'm feeling a lot more better right now, thanks to God, thanks to the Almighty God. So hopefully I'll push out some more videos for you guys. All right, guys, what I got for you guys today, I got some rap. Some of you may call them trap chords. These are some chords that you may want to incorporate inside your rap songs, your trap songs, your beats, however. These are some basic classic chords, what you may hear and maybe we may be familiar with in some rap music as well. So hopefully this video helps somebody out there. Hopefully this video adds value to you, and hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, what I got right now is we're gonna be in the key of A flat. But the thing about this is most trap music, you will hear they start on the minor. So that's the sixth of the key of E flat major. So that's the minor. All right. And basically what we doing is just lifting this finger. This finger right here. What finger is this? This is a ring finger. This is a ring finger. Yeah, the ring finger and the thumb, and bring that right back down. So we had G at the ring on the ring finger on the right hand. Let me do the right hand first, so you guys wouldn't get confused. Look at the G. Raise it to that A G sharp, and bring it back down. All right, so basically that's all we're doing for the entire trap rap song. So what we got right now is G, G sharp, back to the G. Now we're looking at the ring finger. Okay, so the entire chord is C, D sharp, and G. So that's what we're gonna do for the entire song. All right. So same thing with the left hand. C, E flat, G. Some of you guys call this D sharp. Okay, so let's do it. Let's play it together. Hear how it sounds. Hear how it rings out. And already you can hear it sounding familiar to some of the songs we hear today and some of the songs we hear in the past. Okay, let's add some rhythm to that. All right, solid. Okay, already you can hear it sounding familiar. What I also like to do is use octaves with the left hand. This is a beat, so you don't have to worry about a bass player, so you can use your octave and the left hand. I don't know if you guys can see all the way to the left, but the camera, I don't think it's showing. But that's what we're gonna use. You can use this as well. So that's the double C in the left hand, if you guys don't know what an octave is. Okay, so let's hear it. Let's hear how it sounds. Okay, with the octave in left hand, you don't have to worry about going to the G, because you're only playing let me show you up in a higher register tone. Okay, that's what we're playing. Okay, just a little lower. Okay, now together. All right, to spice it up a little bit, what you can do again, the same thing, the same principle. Okay, when you, let's say for instance, we playing this now. Excuse me, I'm slang sometimes. I'm from the Bahamas, so we talk kind of funny. So excuse me if you don't understand what I'm saying. Okay, so okay, we got this chord here, C minor chord. Okay, what we're gonna do to spice it up, we're gonna go to F minor. Okay, the same thing. So we got F, G sharp, and C, and same thing in the right hand. We got F, G sharp, and C. And then what we're going to be doing is just lifting the C, and we're going to sharpen it to the C sharp. Okay. Okay, so that's. Okay, so that's F, G sharp, and C, and then we're gonna raise it to C sharp. We're gonna raise a C to C sharp. Okay, so now that's F, G sharp, and C sharp. Okay. Okay, and you can also use this. You can also use the double octave, and left hand as well for this part. So that's. Okay, now let's hear them together. We're gonna do the chords first. Switch. Messed up. Now switch back. Switch again. And another thing which you could do to spice this up as well, you can alternate the chords. What I mean by alternate, just alternate the notes. Like let me hear. Okay, slowly. That's C, E, C, D sharp, G, C, D sharp, G. Simple. Then up, same thing. All you doing different is a rhythm, as you adding a rhythm to it. Okay, switch. Hey, don't be afraid to mess up as well. All right. All right. Hope this helps. If you want to impress your friend by playing these chords, go ahead. And if you want to incorporate these chords inside one of your beats, one of your trap songs, one of your songs, feel free. Yeah, hopefully this helps someone who wants to play some chords, some easy chords, some classic chords. Hopefully this helps. Hopefully this video helps. All right, guys. See you next time. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please leave down in the comments. I cannot stress this enough. Guys, I need you to leave in the comments what videos you want me to do next. Okay? Is it a song you want me to try to play, or something, specific topic that you want me to talk about? Please feel free to either DM me on Instagram. That's kbeats242. That's kbeats242, or you can just leave it in the comments. Okay? Try to answer you guys as soon as possible. All right. See you guys next time.